Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Wave. Today, I'm answering a question that keeps popping up. Did the SSI Restoration Act pass? And is there a raise coming to SSI benefits in 2025? Let's break this all down clearly and honestly because that's what we do here on Wealth Wave. First off, we're strictly talking about SSI Supplemental Security Income, not to be confused with SSDI, which is a different program. Both are Social Security programs, but they serve different groups of people. SSI helps low-income individuals who are aged, blind, or disabled. There are around 8 million people relying on SSI every month, and for many, this is their main or only source of income, so it's critical. Now, about that question, has the SSI Restoration Act passed? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but as of right now, no, it has not passed. I know that's disappointing, especially since many of you have heard rumors or seen headlines that it's been approved or that a big raise is on the way. But I promise you I'm here to give you the facts, not hype. I check legislative updates daily, and if anything changes, you'll hear it here first. Now, what is the SSI Restoration Act, and why is everyone talking about it? Let me walk you through the highlights of this powerful proposed legislation. Raise SSI benefits to the federal poverty level. Right now, the maximum monthly SSI payment is $967. The federal poverty line in 2025 for a single-person household is $1,304. That's a difference of over $330 per month, or about 35%. The Restoration Act proposes to raise benefits to match the poverty line and keep them there over time. That alone could be life-changing. End the marriage penalty. Currently, if you're married and both partners get SSI, your benefits are reduced. That's right, you get penalized for being married. The Restoration Act would eliminate this penalty. Let's be honest, marriage isn't always easy. You shouldn't lose benefits just for having a spouse. This fix is long overdue. Increase asset limits. Under current rules, SSI recipients can only have $2,000 in assets, $3,000 for couples. That includes money in your bank account. The Restoration Act would raise that limit to $10,000 for individuals and $20,000 for couples. In today's world, where a car repair or medical bill can wipe out your savings, raising this limit is a must. Prices have gone up, and the current asset cap just doesn't reflect reality anymore. These three provisions alone, higher monthly benefits, ending the marriage penalty, and raising asset limits, would transform SSI for millions of Americans. But again, as of now, none of these changes have passed into law. There are standalone bills in Congress that address each of these issues, but they've been stalled too. That's the truth. At WealthWave, I'll continue to push for reform, advocate for SSI recipients, and keep you up to date on every single change and proposal that affects you. If you're on Medicare or you're a dual beneficiary, Medicare plus Medicaid, you may want to speak with our trusted partner at Chapter Medicare. They're helping WealthWave community members find better Medicare plans and save money. Totally free of charge, and hundreds of you have already reached out and gotten great results. However, if you're only on Medicaid, unfortunately, they can't assist you right now. Their contact info is on the screen and in the description below. Before I wrap up, let me ask you to do one thing. Please share this video with someone you know who receives SSI or is trying to understand these changes. Hit that share button, send them a screenshot, or just copy the link. You never know who might need this info right now. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to Wealth Wave. It's 100% free, and I post updates every single day to keep you informed, prepared, and supported. Scroll down to the comments and let me know what you're experiencing with SSI or Medicare. I read everything, and your feedback helps shape future videos. Thanks again for being part of the Wealth Wave community. Stay informed, stay empowered, and I'll catch you in the next one.